Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Viana's Beauty. Yes, you are here at the right time because today I'll be telling you what I used to lose 45 kg in 4 months. Yes, I know it's not a lot because some people claim to lose more than that in that given period, but I'm excited about my results because I have a very slow metabolism and I'm someone who loves eating a lot and eating a lot of unhealthy things. So for me to have lost 45 pounds in 4 months is something I should be very grateful and happy for. Yes, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a channel where we talk topics like this: weight loss, healthy eating, healthy cooking, and beauty, anything concerning beauty, really. Yes. Lifestyle, fashion, hairstyle, and fitness. So thank you so much for all my old subscribers. I appreciate and I love you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, just join and I'll appreciate you as well. Thank you for watching. Yes guys, I'm going to be telling you what I used to lose 45 kg in 4 months, and that is no other thing but the ketogenic diet. I'll be telling you most of the things about the ketogenic diet and why I chose this diet. Mind you that there are other types of diet: the paleo diet, the warrior diet, the egg diet, so many that weight loss diets out there, which I tried a number of them, and what I felt comfortable with was the ketogenic diet. Okay, so what is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a diet type where you consume 75% of fat. And no, someone is looking at me. How can you be trying to lose fat and you're eating fat? Yes, you eat healthy fat, and it's very, very good when it comes to weight loss. So you consume 75% of fat, 20% of protein, and 5% of carbohydrates. This 5% of carbohydrates can be gotten only from veggies. Now, I didn't say fruits and veggies. If you are on a keto diet, you don't consume fruits. Like, yeah, it has few fruits you can consume, such as strawberries, avocado. I think that's berries. I think that's it. When it comes to the fruits, you are not allowed to consume pineapple, watermelon. No, all those things you're not allowed to consume them in the ketogenic diet. So now I'll get to why I chose the ketogenic diet in a bit. So yeah, under the ketogenic diet, you can eat, you're allowed to eat all vegetables. But if you are a starter, if you are a beginner, you are not allowed to have, like, I know carrot is a vegetable, but you're not allowed to have carrots if you're a beginner, because carrots has a lot of carbs and we are avoiding carbs when it comes to the keto diet. So you are not allowed carrots and some other things. Like, just know that for us Africans who love fufu corn, plantain, yam, cocoa yams, cocky, you are not allowed to have this in the ketogenic diet. So someone will be looking at me and asking that, so when you cook soup, what's the compliment you eat it with? Girl, you drink the soup like that. Yes, you drink the soup like that. And under the keto diet, you cannot cook with oils such as the sunflower oil, the vegetable oil. No, you're only allowed to use oils like the coconut oil, the avocado oil, olive oil, almond oil, yes, red oil. Those are the oils you're allowed to use in the ketogenic diet. So but you can eat your meat, you can eat chicken, you can eat fish, which is the main reason why I did the ketogenic diet, guys. It's very funny, right? Yes, but truth be told, that's the only reason why I do the ketogenic diet, because I was like thinking, when I thought of being a vegan or a vegetarian, I was like, how can I go without meat? I love chicken. I love chicken. I love fish. I love beef. So how can I eat without these things? Now, sorry about that. Now, I didn't miss fruits so much because honestly I've always been very lazy to, like, I love mangoes, but to sit and I'm cleaning the mangoes, I'm always so lazy. I love pineapples, but to be clean, I'm always so lazy. So that times I can buy it and I keep in the house and they'll just get rot. I'll take it and put it in the bin. That has been my lifestyle, honestly, except my husband does that for me. Yeah, he does that for me a lot. Yeah. So guys, yes, so when I heard of the ketogenic diet, I like fruits is not a part. I say I hardly eat fruits. Check. They said, um, they said you rice. I love rice, but I'm not that crazy about rice. So I could do with that. Check. So basically, I just decided to do it because it was more convenient for me. I could cope. And getting into the difficulties of the diet, when it applied to me, because some people they have their own difficulties when it comes to the ketogenic diet. For example, when you're just starting up the keto diet, you have what is called keto flu. You can have keto rash. I had keto rash not until recently. I don't know if you can see some of the scars. I had a lot of keto rash around here. And doing keto when you are living with a family is precisely very difficult, because then you have to, mind you, I still had a baby. I had to be cooking for the baby. I had a 5-year-old. I had to be cooking for her. I had my husband. I had to be cooking for my husband. And then I had myself. So to be doing those different meals, it's not very easy, but it was not that difficult for me because I'm a stay-at-home mom, and my daughter would go to school. I'll just have to stay with the baby. So during those periods, I'll not be tempted to eat what they're eating in the evenings. It was very difficult though, but I because of my party, I had a target, I had a goal, and that was like trying to get to a particular level of size because of my birthday party, which was in January. So guys, with this motivation, I went into the ketogenic diet, and with the help of my coach, she gave me a lot of directions on the things to do, like the things you can do which will make it easier for you. I came up with a lot of, like, honestly, I'm just a creative person, so I managed to come up with a lot of things that suit me. Like I did fried rice with cauliflower. Yeah, like the frozen one. I did my fried rice with it. I walked my way through even things that I'd never eaten cauliflower before, but because of the ketogenic diet, I started eating it. And there were other things. The kale leaf too. I didn't know kale leaf in my country, but because of the ketogenic diet, I had to investigate and find out other green. I easily get bored of eating the same thing, so I did my ketogenic akra, which I'll be bringing those things eventually in this channel, like to really help Africans who are going into the ketogenic diet. Guys, it's becoming so popular, and I just believe like it's the best weight loss diet we have now. I didn't tell anybody that I was going on a weight loss journey. Honestly, I just wanted them to see the surprise. And on my birthday, oh my god, that was what made my day, because all the invitees, they were like, what did you do? What magic did you perform? Because everybody knew that I was a chubby person. So when it came, they were all amazed. Seeing me in that blue dress, I was like, Vivian, what did you do? My skin was glowing. I miss the ketogenic diet. I wish I can go back to it. Yeah, I still eat. I still do healthy eating. I still do healthy lifestyle. I still try to eliminate my carbs, but I'm not just into the keto diet right now. I'll make another video why I stopped the ketogenic diet, but for now, let's just focus on the ketogenic diet. And in the ketogenic diet as well, you're not allowed to have sweets, no form of junk. You are not allowed sugar, and guess what? You are not allowed honey. You cannot have fufu corn, you cannot have semo, you cannot have pounded yam, you cannot have any form of poundo. I'm so all about telling people that if I can do it, you can do it. Mind you that I come from a family where everybody there is of a bigger size. Okay, I don't want to say fat, I don't want to say I don't want to make it seem very harsh, but My mom is fat, my sisters they are, all of us now we're trying to keep fit. Yes, all of us were trying to keep fit. I'm trying to like talk everyone out of being a better version. Don't just accept that this runs in our genes and then you stay. Do it for your health. Okay, do it for your health, do it for your children, do it for yourself first. Because I know that if you can just try to be healthy, even if you don't cut down, you will still feel confident in yourself, even if it's in your genes. Okay, don't accept it. Don't say it's in your genes. Don't say I have 7 children, that's why my stomach is big. I always say that the woman who coached me, she has 7 children. If you see her, you will not even know that she has seven children. Like her and her daughter, they are like sisters, walk on the streets, and small boys are not asking both of them out. You understand? So don't be comfortable with the fact that I'm a mom of 5, I'm a mom of 6, and you just let your belly stay big. No, put in the efforts, stay consistent, stay motivated, and you will see that you will have results. It's just funny because on this channel you've seen me how I started. You've seen, if you watch my very first video, you see how big it was. I'm not just talking things out of guesswork or coming here to deceive you. You have seen, before you have seen my body transform. People were asking me, how did you lose so much weight? Because now I'm 65. How did you lose so much weight without skin? I had skin. I had to work my way. I still kind of have a little bit of skin, but it's better than how it was before. You understand, guys? So we can do this together. That is my keto story. And one of the things I wasn't eating that I started eating because of the ketogenic diet, it's what we call punky. I don't know how to call it. I don't know how to call it in English. If you know the name, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, I just love learning. We call it, okay, the English is pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin. They use it a word for Halloween stuff like that. But with the keto diet, the ketogenic diet, you can take that. So for most people who be asking how can you eat vegetables without complements, you can use pumpkin as your complement. You can also do porridge pumpkin just as you do your porridge yam. And I bet you the way I did mine was very tasteful. As someone I'm someone who love good food, I love tasty food, so I did it was very tasteful. I had no problem with that. Instead of potatoes, I can do my porridge pumpkin. You just have to get creative, guys. I did akra, I did a lot of snacks. You can use almond flour, you can use coconut flour. So guys, that is it about this video. I had so much fun doing this video, and thank you for doing this video with me. I so much hope all of us we can attain our goal and we can feel that confidence and just feel beautiful and feel wonderful, and just have a better future, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, support the girl, and I'm definitely gonna see you in my next video. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. Peace.